Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve a question from Leetcode contest 276, problem number 2139. Minimum moves to reach target score. First of all, let's understand the question better. You are playing a game with integer. You start with the integer 1 and you want to reach the integer target. In one move, you can either increment the current integer by 1, that is x equals to x plus 1, or double the current integer, that is x equals to 2 into x. You can use the increment operation any number of times. However, you can only use the double operation at most max double times. Given the two integer target and max doubles, return the minimum number of moves needed to reach target starting with 1. So, in our question, we are given with two integers, that is target, where we need to reach target, and starting point is always 1, and max double, which is given in our question, and we need to find the steps, minimum number of steps needed to reach the target starting from 1. This is our question, and two more points are given, that increment value can be any number of times, but for maximum double, it's specified in the question. So let's understand the question with the help of example. Target, we are given 5. Starting point is 1. And max double is given 0. Target is 5. So only two possible ways are there for any to reach the target, that is either increment the value or multiply it by 2. But the problem here is maximum double count is given 0. So only one possible ways we can reach the target is by incrementing the value. Therefore, for this particular example, the solution will be 5 minus 1, that is 4. Okay. But this won't be true for all the cases, because now for other cases we might either use doubling the value or we can use the incrementing values. So for the my way of to approach this question is not from start point to target. I'm going to go from target to start point. Anyhow, the number of steps, minimum number of steps will be our result, will be our answer. So, and one critical point about this question is doubling the value always gives us even number, whether we are multiplying it with even number or odd number, always the answer will be even number. Like 2 is your odd number, when you multiply it by 2, always we are getting 4, and that is even number. And odd number, that is 3, we are multiplying it by 2 is giving us 6, that is also even. So whenever we are multiplying a odd number or a even number, we are always getting a even number. And when we need to reach a target which is odd number, so only possible way to reach a odd number is by incrementing the value. So this is very important point for our question. how we are going to approach this question and we are going to form the solution, this is very important. This point is very important for our solution. So let's understand it with example 2. Target is given 19, max double is 2, and starting point is 1. So we are seeing 19 is odd number. Odd number, only possible way to reach a odd number is by incrementing the value. 18 is even number. There are two possible ways of reaching 18, that is by incrementing the value or by multiplying it by 2. So let's multiply it by 2, that is 9. Now how we can reach 9? 9 can be reached, 9 is odd number, only one possible way of reaching 9 is by incrementing the value. And if 8 is even number, there are two possible ways of reaching even number, that is by incrementing the value or multiplying it by value by 2. And here's see, we have already used doubling the value, therefore we have to decrement the value of max double so that we can understand how many max doubles are left with us. Again 4. Now 4 is an even number and there are no more max doubles left with us. So there is only one possible way to reach 1 is by incrementing 3 times. Now if you sum up all the steps we have taken, we will get the total number of steps to reach our target value. It is minimum number of steps to reach target value, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is the answer. If you see, output is 7. Let's understand with third example. Our third example says that we have target is 10 and max double is 4. So given is target is 10, max double is 4, and as usual starting point is 1. So 10 is even number. Even number we can reach in two possible ways, either by multiplying it by 2 or by incrementing the value. So let's divide the value by 2. 5. Now 5 is odd number, and how we can reach odd number? Odd number, only possible way, incrementing. Now 4 is even number, 4, and we have, don't forget this, we have to maintain the number of maximum double count left with us. So now 4 is even number and we can reach even number by either doubling or by incrementing. So doubling. Again 2 is odd number, even number, and 2 we can reach by incrementing or doubling. So let's double it, and 1 is the starting point. Now you will be saying that I'm saying whenever I'm saying multiplying it by doubling the value, I'm dividing it by 2. Whenever I'm saying incrementing the value by 1, I'm decrementing it by 1. Basically I'm going in reverse way. If you see how we can reach 1, from 1 to 2 we can multiply it by 2 and we can reach it, our 1 will multiply it by 2, then it will become 2. From 2 how we can reach 4? 2, we will double the value, we will reach 4. So 4, how we can reach it to 5? 4, we will add 1 to reach 5. And same how we can reach 10? From 5 we will multiply it by 2 to reach 10. So this is why for whenever I'm saying doubling the value, I'm using divide. And whenever I'm saying incrementing the value by 1, I'm subtracting it by 1. And now if you count the steps, we will get total 4 steps. Therefore, 4 will be our solution. Now, let's understand. Now, let's see the solution, how to do it. So I have, whatever I have explained you, in that way only I have written my code. First, I'm checking that our maximum double, how many maximum doubles are there. For if you see in line number 4 and 5, first of all, I'm checking if maximum double is 0, then like in example, first example, that we had 5 target and maximum double was 0. So 5 minus 1, 4 was our same thing for first if block. Now whenever maximum double is greater than 0, okay, like for example 2 and example 3, this is else block. I'm using else block for that, those examples wherever maximum double count is greater than 0. Now while I'm checking if target value is greater than 1, for that situation I'm using while loop. For first, that inside while block, if you see the first if, that is for odd, and for second and third, these are for even. But out here I'm saying maximum double count should be greater than 2, greater than 0, and for second max double count should be equal to 0. Hope you are understanding this. Let's go through the code with the help of one example. Let's take second example, that is 19. First, I'm checking maximum double is equals to 0, 9. We have maximum double is 2. Let's write it somewhere. Max double is 2 and target is 19. Okay. So 19 is greater than 1. Yes. If 19 is odd number or even number, it's an odd number. So we are decrementing the value of target by 1. Now our target value is 18. And result that will give us the result count is 1. Okay. Because I have initialized result with 0. Now again while loop. 18 is greater than 1. Yes. 18 is odd number. No. So we will go in second if else. Max double count is greater than 0. Yes. Max double is R2. So we will divide it by 2. So our value, target value is 9 and maximum double will decrement by 1. That is now 1 is left and result will increment by 1. So 2 step. Now again target is 9. 9 is greater than 1. Yes, 9 is greater than 1. And 9 is odd number. Yes, 9 is odd number. So we can reach odd number only by incrementing the value. So we are decreasing it by 1. We are increasing the result count by 1, that is 3. Now again 8 is greater than 1. Yes. Is our maximum double count greater than 0? Yes, it's greater than 0 because we have 1. So we will divide it by 2. So our target value will become 4 and result will increment to 4 and maximum double will also reduce. Now 4 is greater than 1. Yes. Is it odd number? No. It's even number, but maximum double is greater than 0. No, it's 0. So we will go in third if else block, and where we are seeing maximum double equals to 0. Yes, it's equals to 0. So our target will become 4 minus 1. How we can reach 4 from 1? So in 3 steps we can reach to 4 starting from 1. That is why we will add 3 to it. 4 plus 3 is 7 steps, and target value will become 1. And we have checked for the while that target should be greater than 1. Our target is 1, so it will not go inside this while loop, and we will return the result, that is our 7. And this is how the solution works. You can see it's accepted. Thank you. If you find my video helpful, please like the video.